I'm Pakistani and watching from Pakistan. Today this video I teach you how you can make a water level using ultrasonic sensor. How can you make a water level for your water tank? Table. In that, when you take a water from water tank, you may notice sometimes you need your empty tank, water tank. You need to know which time your tank is empty and if you turn on the water pump if needed, or there are water level low, you may know your water level is low. So that's why I made this thing. First, there is no rescue, and this thing will IoT based, meaning internet often based, meaning you can anywhere world you can monitor your water level, that water level in anywhere in world by internet connection. First, laptop connect powering, I give this node MCU, then use charger at 5 volt, any power bank, any power supply will work. Power the node MCU and node MCU connect ultrasonic sensor here with mouse and tape, help of tape in this line now. For example, this is my water tank and this is a battery with battery, all the sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and it's not there. And there it shows IP serial monitor with my Wi-Fi router, and here is my phone. Let me the brightness on my phone, showing the phone, and I log in the same IP in here in the browser, and there says web water level water level monitor, current water level is 5. So right now there is no water in it. Now if we add the water and reload this page, first I reload page manually, so it will not change like that. Now add the water and then change, like refresh then page and see water level. Now add little bit one water with this bowl of water. Stop. Now we reload it. Right now, meaning 97% water level is filled. Only 3% empty. Now add up more water, and then we reload this page. Yes, we had to use more water. 2%. 98% water tank is full and 2% is empty. Now it's full. All the water now checked. Reload 1%, meaning at 99% water is filled. If water is though if right now it's 1%, meaning 99% water is filled, and if though 5%, then it means water is empty, totally empty, because this time my tank is smaller than by the smaller with size smaller tank, so that's why it will minimum level is 5, meaning if we indicate 5, then mean tank is totally empty, or if shows 1, then mean tank is totally full, or 99% full. If your tank, you can use bigger tank, like a bigger water tank, then this test it will maybe more bottom number, meaning it may this answers may the more that depth of this tank, and then it will minimum number is changed. So how it works, basically it's measure a distance between objects. So if water is coming, the meaning bottom wall and top wall, it is top of the sensor, so bottom is the wall. Between that water, if water is more than, distance will be decreasing, or if low water, distance will be increasing. That's just it read a distance here. So that's why if right now it is a low distance, it shows distance 1, meaning 1% tank is empty and 99% water tank is full. If you are bigger tank, then it shows minimum level about somewhere 30%. So 30% at least, I think. And I forgot to tell you, there are ultrasonic 5 volt is connected to the node MCU 5 volt and node MCU ground and ultrasonic ground to the other, and ultrasonic Ito pin is digital 2 of the node MCU and digital 3 of the node MCU is connected to the pin of the ultrasonic sensor. These are certain monitoring system using node MCU and ultrasonic sensor. So this is a website, which website you can find this tour and circuit diagram, but you can also find this in website link in my video description, underneath my video description. So there is we need ultrasonic sensor and the circuit diagram and node MCU there. So ultrasonic 5 VCC is connected to 3.3 volt point of this node MCU is connected to the ultrasonic VCC and ultrasonic ground. MCU ground is connected, and trigger ultrasonic trigger is connected pin number digital 3 and Ito is connected digital 2 of node MCU, and then those are stored of this first. Explain in the tour here website here. Let me explain the tour here a little bit. You can find this all the information in this website. First include Wi-Fi dot ESP8266 Wi-Fi dot H library, Wi-Fi line dot H library include and if these libraries you need to include it. Hash include ESP8266 web server dot H and integer pin D3 int Ito pin digital 2 and chart constant chart setup SSD, which is pass username SSD. Here you put Wi-Fi SSD, which SSD is also put in your cell phone or which device. Here you can use hotspot, which hotspot, same hotspot your internet connection will be your phone, which phone you then need to log in the IP and check then whether they have water level, and there you put the password of the network. Here ESP8266 web server port 80 defined string page int data void setup pin mode trigger pin output and Ito pin mode Ito input pin input and delay 1000 milliseconds. See about the 11,500 because there is a Wi-Fi limitation. Wi-Fi within SSD password within Wi-Fi connection enable the see print where for connected while Wi-Fi status not equal to well connected, delay 500 milliseconds. See the print. So this Wi-Fi status not equal to well connected is a command which wants to identify whether internet is connected or not. If connected, then it's your print. SSD if not connected, then with dot. If try to connecting, then this connected to, and they'll put SSD name. Which SSD name it will be connecting. So in local Wi-Fi IP, and there are the page other meta HTTP and something like that. This website it will make a page, which page it will upload the data using server send 200 text and HTML page. Server begin for limitation. Serial print web server started, and there it will a while loop, which is digital wide low delay microsetting to digital wide white pin I delay microsetting 10 digital low
long long pulse equal long duration equal pulse equal I data equals there put a ratio which is 29 2 by 29.09 and server and the client, and it will send this value operating value by this formula to server and client, and this will admit next to